Hi, my name is Mike. I'm the Director of Service here at Merchants Auto. Today we were celebrating the graduation of two of our apprentice technicians. I'm really proud of what we've been able to do here at Merchants to develop this program and now have Tristan be our second person to make it through the whole program. It takes a lot of dedication on his part, collaboration with Joe and Scott and NHADA and all of our partners to really make the program work. Kevin graduated phase one, which is the first phase of our apprentice program here at Merchants. He started as a high school intern, has come on full-time as part of our apprentice program, and has graduated the first set of his classes and his first amount of in the shop on the hands training. We're also celebrating Tristan Clark, who graduated our full apprentice program. He's the second technician who has gone through the entire program from start to finish, all of his classes in school, all the on-the-job training, and really shown how he's come from a young man who didn't know a lot about being a mechanic, all the way to being a full-time maintenance technician ready to work on all the different vehicles that we service here at the shop. All right. Congratulations, Tristan.
Thank you.